Can one small word suddenly show happiness, surprise, pain, or excitement? If someone says, "Wow, that is amazing," "Oops, I made a mistake." These emotional words are called interjections. Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to my voice life skills. Today is a special class for us because this is the final lesson of our parts of speech series. Okay? Step by step, we learned noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. Right? And today we are learning the final part of speech, interjection. Okay? I hope this series is helping you improve your English confidence little by little. Okay? Do you know? Sometimes one tiny word can express a big feeling. Interjections make English sound natural, emotional, and real. Right? What is an interjection? An interjection is a word used to express sudden feelings or emotions. Okay? Interjections show happiness, surprise, pain, excitement, and fear. Here I am going to read some interjections. Wow! It shows surprise. Okay. Hurrah! It feels joy. Oops! It feels mistake. Alas! It feels sadness. Oh! It feels sudden feeling. Okay? Wow! You see? Here I am going to read the sentence. Wow! Your English is improving. Wow! It is interjection. It shows surprise. Okay? Hurrah! Hurrah! We won the match. Hurrah is interjection. It shows joy. Okay? Oops! I dropped the glass. Here, oops, it shows mistake. Alas! Alas! The bird is dead. Here it shows sadness. Okay? Oh! Oh! I forgot my bag. Here, sudden feeling. Oh! Sudden feeling. Okay? Is this word showing sudden emotion? If yes, then it may be an interjection. But can one small emotional word completely change a sentence? Yes. That is why interjections make English expressive and natural. Now, identify the interjections. Okay? Number 1. Wow! This painting is beautiful. So, what is interjection here? Interjection is wow. Okay? Hurrah! We are going on a trip. Here in this sentence, what is interjection? Hurrah! Okay? Oops! I lost my pen. Here, interjection is oops. Okay? Okay, excellent. Now your turn. Which interjection shows happiness, surprise, sadness? Write your answers in comments. Okay? Do not fear English. Small lessons every day can improve your confidence greatly. You are learning step by step. Today, we completed our parts of speech series. Thank you for learning with me step by step. But this is not the end. In the next classes, I will bring more interesting topics on spoken English, English sentences, communication skills, life skills, motivation and self improvement, and many more. So, stay connected with my voice life skills. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and support my channel. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Okay? Namaste. Bye bye. Take care.